Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna look at jell-o watermelon flavored lip balm. I got this from the Below 5 store. It was under $5. It was like $3 or something. I don't really remember. Yeah, I didn't even know this existed. They just barely came out with this. This is crazy. There's other flavors too on the web, but at the store. So there was like Oreo. I don't even know the list of it. Oreo. There's a lot of other flavors. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's see what other flavors they have. I'll show you some other flavors. So let's see what the box says. Directions, how to use it, ingredients. Here's some ingredients. Who is it by? Let's see. And it's from Kraft Foods. Beautiful taste. And it looks like a jell-o. Watermelon jell-o flavored. Looks like watermelon jell-o. How do you open this? It's already got it there. There it is. Looks like a tiny cup of jell-o. It's pretty small. Fits in your purse if you want it, or if you just want to taste jell-o. There's info. Do not eat. And there's expiration date, I think. Can't even read that. There's that manufacturing date. Do not know, because that's how they open it. Twist. Oh wow! So it's a twist. And looks like the lip balm's right there. Tastes like watermelon. That's cool. I wonder what the Oreo one tastes like. Just Oreos. That'd be cool if they made other stuff. Kit Kat? Strawberry Kit Kat? I don't know. Yeah, if you need lip balm, get one of these. This is crazy. This is good. I wonder if there's one that tastes like steak, maybe? Or what else? I don't know. What other flavors do you guys think should come out? So yeah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See ya.